Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financial here. Now a lot of people really enjoyed my Dave app review. That video was like almost at 10,000 views. And so I wanted to review a similar app today called Albert. I've been testing it for the past week on my phone and I wanted to give an honest review on it. And if you do enjoy these type of videos, if you enjoy making money online, affiliate marketing, paid surveys, app reviews, e-commerce, anything along those lines, guys, be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like on the video. That way YouTube notifies you whenever I put out another money making or money saving video. But without further ado, let's get into it. Here is my review of Albert. Alright guys, so as you can see from the main page, it says save money effortlessly. Albert is a new type of financial service that uses powerful technology to automate your finances with a team of human experts to guide you. So when you sign up for Albert, you're going to have to make an account. Usual stuff, email, password, first and last name, things like that. But then you put in your phone number and Albert will make you add them as a contact. It'll be under the name Albert and you'll get text message notifications about very important things. You'll also after that you will connect your bank account, and that's just so they could see how close you are to overdraft fees and things like that, so they can warn you ahead of time. And once they have your phone number and they just text you, and once they have your bank account, they will start analyzing all of your data when it comes to finance. Now, one of the things they do is they send text message alerts when you're close to overdrafting or when you're spending too much money. If you're going to Starbucks too much or whatever, it will notify you via text like, hey, you spent this much on this and this is up this much since last week. Like, this is up, you've been spending 20% more at Starbucks on coffee versus last week. This could be a problem, and it will notify you of your spending habits, and this could help you make more conscientious decisions, because then you could say, oh, next time you're going to get Starbucks, you could remember, oh, your Albert alert, I'm spending too much money here, let me go have coffee at home, right? So it'll send you text message notifications when this happens. On top of that, it has overdraft protection to protect you from overdraft fees, which can be very ridiculous. Of course, banks charge sometimes like 30-40 bucks for overdraft fees. You want to avoid those at all costs. Another cool thing about Albert is it will notify you when a subscription is about to turn to a paid subscription. And what I mean by that is a lot of apps and services out there will have subscriptions, but they give you a free trial, right? So it'll have like a 7-day free trial. Now, what a lot of services are planning on is you forgetting it. You forget about that service and then you get billed for it. Albert will notify you when that service is going to be up for free, up against free trial, and say, hey, this is about to turn to a paid survey. This is about to be a bill. You should go cancel this if you're not really using it. So that way you don't get overcharged for services you're not using. And on top of that, it really could save you a lot of money just in that way. They also have investing features as well as automatic savings, where every month or week you could set it to automatically save or invest money for you, and it'll give you recommendations. It'll give you personalized recommendations based on your income level, based on your savings level, based on how much you spend. Overall, Albert, I feel like, is a much more in-depth version of the Dave app, which I reviewed in the past. And it has a lot more features, in my opinion. I'm not just trying to promote it. I'm not affiliated with them at all. I have no affiliation with the service. I have a much wider array of features in the Albert app, some of which I just went over, such as the overdraft protection, the automatic savings, the smart investing, the fact that it will notify you through text about services that are about to be that should be canceled, or free trials that are about to end. And I think this could save a lot of people a lot of money. If you want to check out Albert, it's on your phone. I'm not going to link it or anything. Again, I'm not affiliated with them. It's on Apple. I'm pretty sure it's on Android, so you might want to check it out. Overall, I would give this app a 4 out of 5 stars. It has more features than Dave app, and it could be a useful thing to save some money. All right, guys, so if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share it, and I will catch you next time.